Hello, and today I will show you how to copy a building. I found this cool building on a map that I downloaded. I don't own this one. I just find this one cool. So what I did is I put a red wool block here. I want to copy from this spot right here and up to this spot right here. And maybe you wonder, why don't you take here instead? But it's because I want the trees and everything around to follow. So what I do, I go down here and I will slash clone and I will look in this specific block that I want to copy from. Slash clone space and I go down here to this command. This is the exact block that I'm watching. I press enter. Incomplete command, it says, but it's okay because we will go up here now. We copy from that spot up to this spot. Press space again, go down and press enter. So now in this command is from the first red wool to the second red wool. You don't have to have red wool. I'm just doing it so it makes it easier for you guys to see. From that spot up to this spot. And now we have to find a place where we want to put this building. And I will put it right in front of here. I want it to be close to the water. So I will watch this block right here. This is what we put it to. You see down here it says 2, but we pick the block up from the first wool up to the wool, from the first wool to the second wool, and we will place it here. So now you see we have placed this cool building that I really like in front of the water. So we moved it from there to there. You can move these buildings pretty far, but not like tens of thousands of blocks away. So that's how you move buildings or copy buildings with this slash clone command. So thank you for watching. If you need help with anything, please write in the comments and I will gladly help you. Bye.